Hello and welcome to our video on the easiest way to earn money online in 2023. In this digital age, there are countless opportunities to make a passive income or even a full-time income from the comfort of your own home. In this video, we will share with you some of the most effective and proven ways to make money online in 2023. One of the easiest and most popular ways to earn money online is by selling products or services on a website or online marketplace. This could be anything from handmade crafts and vintage clothing to digital products and services like ebooks, courses, or consulting services. To get started, you will need to set up a website or use an existing online marketplace like Etsy, eBay, or Amazon. Once your site is set up and you have products or services to sell, you can start promoting your business through social media, email marketing, and other online marketing strategies. Another way to earn money online is by becoming a freelancer. Freelancers offer their skills and expertise to clients on a project-by-project basis and can work from anywhere with an internet connection. Some popular freelance fields include writing, graphic design, social media management, and virtual assistants. To get started as a freelancer, you will need to create a portfolio of your work and sign up for freelance job boards or websites like Upwork or freelancer.com. If you have a passion for writing, creating videos, or sharing your thoughts and experiences with others, you might consider monetizing your blog or YouTube channel. By creating valuable and engaging content, you can attract a loyal following and generate income through ads, sponsored content, and affiliate marketing. To monetize your blog or YouTube channel, you will need to apply for ad programs like Google AdSense or work with brands directly to create sponsored content. Another easy way to earn money online is by participating in paid surveys and focus groups. There are many websites and companies that pay individuals to share their opinions and provide feedback on products and services. While the pay for these opportunities can vary, they can be a convenient way to earn a little extra cash in your spare time. These are just a few of the many ways you can earn money online in 2022. Whether you are looking to start a full-time business or just make a little extra cash on the side, there is an opportunity out there for